From your order management page, select Edit Group List underneath the design you want to update, and then Continue. This will open your design in the Design Lab. Navigate to your group list by selecting the design space it's located in and selecting the group list. If your group list is still in the first name and last name template, select Add Names, then select Bulk Add. Drag and drop or import the Excel or CSV file containing your list. Then select Import. Select the columns on your spreadsheet which correlate to the first and last names, and then select Confirm. You can also add names, remove names, or edit existing names. Now select Done. You may also need to adjust the size and positioning of your group list. Once you have completed your changes, select Apply Designs, then Update Order. Tick the checkbox and select Update Design. Your group list has now been successfully updated. You can continue to make changes until you submit your order.